Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I want to cross list a course in Canvas. Notice that I have an 111162 and an 111164. Both of these classes will be on the same schedule and will have the same due dates. And so instead of having to duplicate with this one what I do with this one, I can link this one to the 62 section and eliminate the need to be duplicitous. So I want to go to 111164. Let's go to that. And let's go down to settings. And in settings, I want to be on sections. Click on the section and notice that it says cross list this section. All right, so let's kind of keep this number in mind. I wonder if we could copy that. That might be easy because we want to go to 62. Let's do that real quick. Let's cross list it and let's paste that and just change it to 62. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if that will work. And then let's click cross list this section. The idea is that we will be able to, yes, section successfully cross-listed.